cooking show. I'm Allie.
What are you cooking today, Allie? What's that?
Steak.
Steak? Where's your pan? Put your pan up there.
I put a fruit.
You spilled the carrots.
Yes.
Where's your pan?
Gotta clean it up.
You gotta clean it up.
Now I clean it up.
Tell me what all that stuff is. What's this?
Stuff.
What's that over there?
Onion.
What's this?
Carrot.
What is that?
But this chicken.
What? I thought it was tomatoes.
Yes, tomatoes. Tomatoes.
Okay, where's your pan?
I know. There's food.
Okay. Now what are you going to put in there? What are you going to cook with your steak? Are you going to cook those onions and tomatoes?
Yes.
And what else are you cooking?
I don't know.
It's not going to fit in that pan, girl. Because that pan's too little. What's in your hand? Sauce? Are you putting some sauce in there?
I put sauce on the table.
Put some sauce on there.
And
I thought you were cooking.
and
You're done cooking?
yes,
Who's this?
this is tomato. This is baby.
That's a baby. What's that baby going to eat? Some steak? Some bear steak?
And one sauce. I put sauce on the beans and the corn, chicken, and tomatoes.
Yeah.
Yes, and the ball and the tomatoes.
You got there want something to drink?
Yes.
Where's that bear's drink?
I know.
Is it over there? What is that?
It's coffee. It's water.
It's what?
It's water.
It's coffee water?
No, it's tea water.
It's tea water?
Yes.
Do you drink it?
Yes. I love coffee.
You love coffee? What are you doing? Playing with toys? Yeah? You want to be on the show too? Hola. Hola. Spilled it? What'd you spill? You spilled sauce? You cleaned up the sauce. Great. Where's the baby's carrot?
I know.
Are you going to feed that baby his steak? You got a big baby, you know. Feed him his steak.
Blue.
Where's the spoon? Where's the spoon? Hold it. And don't touch any buttons. Here's your spoon. Allie, are you going to feed that baby?
Yes. You can wash this. I can wash this hot.
You going to wash that cup?
Yes.
So you cook and wash dishes?
Yes.
You are one heck of a 2-year-old. Good job, Allie. High five. High five, Allie. Yeah.